Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video, and it is the first of my DIY series. In this I will provide overview about the Wahl home cut complete haircutting kit. Also carry out sample haircut to review the performance of this clipper. I purchased it from Amazon India in the month of June 2021 and costed me around rupees 1499. But the current price as on today on Amazon is around rupees 1055 only. It comes with 2 years warranty. First, let's quickly take a look around the details mentioned on the box. On the front side we get Wahl branding, clipper name, and mentioned about silent features like self-sharpening high carbon steel blades stay sharp longer, taper control lets you customize each cut, durable long-lasting motor, variety of guide combs make it easy to get the perfect cut. In total, box contains 17 pieces including clipper. A manual with user instructions. On the right lateral side of box, we get info about storage case and guide comb lengths between sizes 25 mm to 3 mm. While on the left lateral side of box, we get info about model number, net quantity, net contents, month year of import, importer and customer care details. Friends, let's quickly take out the clipper and its accessories from the box and storage case. For the sake of convenience and count of all the accessories, I have pre-arranged all of them except storage case. Now first we take account of clipper shape, quality and functions of different parts. Clipper comes in dual tone black and white color, ergonomic design and feels great in hand. Its cord is fixed type and hence you could not able to use it cordless. Comes with 2-pin plug. On the left lateral side, it looks very stylish and consists thumb lever to adjust taper and texture for different hair lengths without any hassle of changing the blades. On the same side, we get power switch with off and on signs. Switch operates in shown manner. Overall, the shape and edges of this clipper is quite smooth and have some sort of pulled-in groove. On the right lateral side, it has a power screw and by default it has been adjusted for peak efficiency before leaving the factory. However, if voltage in your home is low, you may need to readjust it. But I insist not to adjust the screw settings and please keep it as default because even a slightly wrong tweaking would tend to make the motor vibrate a lot and heat up quickly. That in particularly makes handling of this clipper quite uncomfortable. Now come the blades that self-sharpens and known for their precision haircut. Underside of clipper has some details about its power etc. and bottom portion is fastened with 2 screws. Shape of cord is flat, possesses hanging loop, overall quality looks quite good and feels durable. Length of cord is around 2 meters. Friends, let's have a close-up view of the biggest comb of 25 mm size. And on top you find details about its size, number, etc. along with a release latch. All the 10 guide combs that are of different shapes and sizes have their respective details mentioned as on biggest guide comb. Let me show you the 6 mm size guide comb too. In this guide comb set, we also get 2 taper guide combs that used for tapering hair around the right and left ear. In kit, we also get a quality normal comb and scissors. Now let's see how to fasten and release the guide comb on the clipper blades. First, place the blades in the backside groove of the guide comb and then press the release latch. Here the overall shape and appearance of the clipper gets completely changed. To remove guide comb, just lift the release latch. After every few haircuts, this clipper should be oiled to keep the blades lubricated. For reviewing the performance of this clipper, I am going to trim and cut my son Mr. Roshan's hair. Let's take a look of his hair from all sides. Please remember, before starting haircut, you need to groom and comb hair, or best is to wash and dry hair completely. Here is our clipper, and for this haircut session I am using only 25 mm size guide comb. As you can see, the clipper should always be moved from the bottom to the top direction and trim the hair from one side of head at a time, that is back, left, right, front and top, or vice versa. During this trimming session, I will refrain and cut hair only from back, left, right and front sides. Time to time I will place the footage in time-lapse mode to restrict the overall duration of this video. In between the trimmings, to get proper idea about the level of progress of haircut, we need to groom hair with normal comb and take overall account. As you have seen, in a very simplified manner, trimming of hair has been completed. Now let's use the provided scissors and normal comb to set the hair along the edges, around the ears and back of the neck region. Finally, need to give finishing touch on all sides by using same clipper. After washing and drying, my son's haircut looks like this. Note, after every haircut, clean the blades using provided brush. In my overall opinion, this wall home cut clipper's performance is quite amazing. But sometimes during prolonged usage, it may vibrate a bit more than usual and also get quite warm. Friends, in these challenging times of COVID pandemic, this wall clipper makes me felt its importance and usefulness, that too at this cheapest price point. Therefore, I think it should be a must-have device in every household. As you have seen, in less than 15 minutes time, that too being in home, a basic style of haircut has been achieved by using wall home cut clipper and applying my DIY skills. Let me know your valuable thoughts in comments about this haircut, clipper performance and of course about my DIY skills. Product purchase link is provided under description section. Hope you find this video informative. If yes, then please like, subscribe and hit bell icon so I can bring many more such interesting videos in future. For any additional info on this product, please let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. Take care of your health and goodbye.